I'm Mark Leader, and I want to thank you for taking the time to review this video. Before we get started, I have 3 questions for you. Are you a full-time realtor? Are you earning a 6-figure income? Are you in control and in balance between your personal and professional life? If you answered yes to these 3 questions, then Leader's Choice is most likely not for you. But if you were anything like me when I started in the real estate business almost 3 decades ago, then you know all too clearly that getting a license is only half the battle. It's what you do with the license that will indicate your success for today and beyond. This is where I can help. During my 10 years as a realtor, I listed over 1,000 properties for sale and averaged 93 closings a year for 8 years consecutively, without the help of a personal assistant. If this is the type of production that you would like to turn in each year, then let me tell you about a program designed to allow you to accomplish just that. In 1999, I made a decision that impacted thousands of careers in the real estate industry. The decision I made was to sit down and create a program that not only gives you the philosophies of how to achieve outstanding success, but also the dialogue, technique, and process to start immediately earning whatever income you choose in the real estate business. Since that time, the Leader's Choice program has been updated 7 times and has been trained from Ontario to British Columbia, from California to Florida. And no matter where we go, the results remain the same. The average agent that attends does better than 1.5 transactions per person per week, or 14 total transactions during the 9-week program. Even more impressive, 12 months after the program is over, salespeople report an 88% increase in business year over year, and 93% are with the same company that sponsored the program. So how do we achieve these outstanding results? We achieve these results by having the student master 6 areas of the real estate business. The first area is building inventory. This is where you will see that the Leader's Choice program is different than any other course available. We believe knowledge is power. So by the time you are finished the program, you will understand that there is 14 specific ways to build relationships, inventory, in the real estate business, and it breaks down into 2 specific approaches: high tech and high touch. The second area we work on is time management. We get you to focus on the high income producing activities and delegate the low income producing activities. The third area is attitude control. No matter what the market or the industry throws at you, we'll have the right attitude set in place so that the cup is always half full, never half empty. Or in other words, what I like to say to my students, hot dog, everything's going normal when something's going wrong. If we don't have something going wrong, then we're not doing enough stuff. Number 4 is marketing. We teach you the necessary activities and show you exactly what you need to do to build those relationships in your community, not through ego-driven marketing, but through what I call building social capital or relationship-based marketing activities. Number 5, we teach you how to handle objections. No matter what they throw at you, I'm going to teach you how to handle it. They say they got a friend in the business. They want to wait till spring, summer, winter, or fall. They want to fix it before we list. No matter what they throw at you, we'll give you the dialogue and process necessary to handle those objections. And number 6, I'm going to teach you how to write sales quicker. We have graduated now over 30,000 salespeople through the program with a track record of better than 250% increase in production. And our results are verified by the broker owners and the company we train the program for. So if your business is real estate and you are serious about making more money in less time and put more fun into your career, then I urge you to take the time and check us out. And remember, life is a series of choices, and I choose success, and so should